Hello everybody, hello, how y'all doing? In your neck of the woods, you okay? Yeah man. That is for who don't understand the patois. Now for who really understand the patois, what up? What up? Manners and respect. I your girl man, Debbie from down a yard. Yeah? Right now, on this little video here, you know where this channel is a Jamaican channel. So if you notice, we try to keep it all Jamaican. Because I don't know about no other country but Jamaica. So most of my something, I'm gonna fuck all. I have to keep it Jamaican. Right? So right here I have 3 tins of sardine. When I drain, it was in oil, so I go and mash them. As I don't take out the little bones, you know. I don't take them out. I use them. Some people want me to really take them out because them go through a process and them kind of soft and everything. So I don't see the need for take them out. I've never taken them out. But you feel free, whatever you choice of sardines, because family this are 3 tins of sardine, you know, and you see it low. So pick a sardine of your choice. There are so many out there in the market. So I'm going to mash this now. I want to do a little sardine dip. You understand? So I try get them not too mushy though, you know. Alright? I have some sweet pepper here that has been chopped, finely chopped. Okay? Alright. To this finely chopped sweet pepper, I think I want to take out a little. I want to reserve a little of the sweet pepper. So to this now, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of white sugar. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Alright, and we're going to leave that there for a little time. Okay, I'm going to empty my sardine in this bowl. Remember, you know, we are making one little sardine dip. Quite inexpensive, nutritious, light, a little late night snack, a little mid-afternoon snack. You don't know it go? Yeah, and sometimes depends on how you feel too. It can be for dinner, you know, depends if you're a loner, a single person, it can be for dinner too. Alright. To this now, we wanna add, be so generous, be however generous you want. We wanna add about 2, probably about this mayonnaise. Don't use whip, guys. Don't use whip, please. You use mayonnaise. Use a solid base mayonnaise where you can get the real thing. You understand? So we're trying to incorporate with mayonnaise inside here. Right? We have some chopped onions. We might not use all, but most of it. Yeah, because we want when we take up with dip, we feel a little crunch. Each time we dip in our mouth, we feel a little crunch. So we incorporate it. You see how it's getting zoom right in. You see how it coming? That's why I say use a solid base, good brand of mayonnaise. Invest in that. A good brand. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. To this now, we want to get this. The sugar and the apple cider, we want to get it dissolved. We're going to put in some parsley, dried parsley to this. You know, dried parsley especially gives a very lovely flavor, nice flavor. We want to put in a reasonable amount, not a whole lot, but you just, right, I think that would be enough. Right? So we want to see if we can dissolve with sugar and with apple cider within this. We want to mix until we don't feel any more of the sugar grain. So even if any little grain inside there, I think the thing with other thing we take care of it. Okay, let's clean this out the way as we go along. Clean up as we go along, you know my thing. As we go along, we clean up a working area. Alright guys. So we have that in there. And we want to incorporate. So this we're going to put 2 or 3 dashes of salt, a little freshly cracked pepper, yeah? Or a little more that you can taste it. Remember, it's sardine, that out the way. So the creaminess, guys, is a dip, you know. So you want it smooth, and you know that when you use your biscuit or whatever you use to take it up, it can come up on it. What we want to do now, we want to taste a little bit to see if we get the real blend. Can put another dash of salt or 2. And this is it. Maybe a little more pepper. Yeah, that should do the work or the job, whatever. Look at it. Smooth, soft. All right. Right over here, you have. So you're going to remember, you know, whatever you mix it in, you try to serve it in something different. You know, you just want to have it just looking nice, just like that. Make sure you get out everything, you know, because this is really nutritious, you know. So make sure that you get everything out, right? And you have it in there. Okay. Want to try to get most of our stuff out the way. To this now, you're gonna put a little of your red bell peppers. Just, you know, cause you know it have this little faded color. So you just want to get a little at the top there, make it look appealing. You know, suppose you and your friend I go sit down, or you know, and you sprinkle a little of your dry parsley over it. Right, that's it. So we're going to get these out of the way, and we're going to do a little cleaning up. You know, as usual, we have to clean up. Yep. Presentation. So we're going to clean up the work area and to it. Okay. Now we have some whole wheat crackers. Feel free to use it with whatever crackers you want. Crackers of your choice, whatever. But we're going to put them to make them look, you know, dainty. So we're going to overlap them as we go along. Real dainty. Right round your bowl. Right round. Or you can use this for entertaining, whatever. Can be an appetizer also. So as we go along, we get it around our bowl. Yeah. You can put a few right there. Not a problem. Oops. We're looking solid ones, guys. Alright. So this is just it, guys. Our little Jamaican sardine dip. Nice little appetizer. And you know, as usual, I always emphasize on some form of beverage. Make we take these out. And we clean up. You don't need any fork in it, it's a dip. So now, you're gonna use a little beverage. So, we have a Red Stripe lemon flavored light beer. Right? Lemon. Now you know sardine, fishy. Remember I tell you about this? So you go with the lemon beer. You know lemon will just wash down that fishiness. Alright? But while we're waiting on that, guys, all you have to do, you just take one of your little crackers and you just put into your dip. There you have it. Sardine dip from West Indian Delights. Right in, quite nice. One more, let me show you. Zoom right in. You take your dip, your biscuit, and you take up your dip. You don't need any fork. This is just finger, right? And you open your mouth. If you stush, you won't be able to get it in. It's gonna mess up your mouth. So you open your mouth wide. Now, and let me tell you, the parsley, it did more than I expected. The salt, the little extra salt, it brought it right up. So, right there, you have your little lemon beverage. For those wash down whatever fishiness the sardine. Because I know the sardine is from the fish family. Whatever fishiness the sardine leave, they have your little lemon beer. Now we're the mess. When we clean, we mess. You know we always do that. So there you have it, guys. Sardine dip from West Indian Delights. Nice little appetizer, little late night snack from my kitchen to yours. Yes? If you have enjoyed this little video and you think it so deserves a thumbs up, you can. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you do so, I'd be grateful. And thank you. Okay, turn on your notification and please leave your comments below. Listen to me. All Jamaican. And you know my thing, you know. Debbie from down a yard. Boom.